era of the hulking metal box sitting under your desk is officially on life support. We have reached a point where a machine roughly the size of a thick sandwich can actually outperform that massive tower you spent a fortune building 3 years ago. This new little powerhouse is trying to prove that physical scale is no longer a metric for performance. It is built specifically around the latest generation of specialized artificial intelligence chips. These processors are not just designed for spreadsheets or basic web browsing. We are talking about a serious leap in computational muscle that fits right in the palm of your hand. You could literally tuck this entire computer behind your monitor and forget it even exists. It handles heavy lifting like high-resolution video editing and intense multitasking without breaking a sweat. Inside, it uses an incredibly fast type of memory and storage that keeps everything snappy. You will not see those annoying loading circles when you are jumping between 20 different tabs in a heavy render project. It has every connection you could possibly need, from high-speed data ports to multiple video outputs. But the real story here is the way it handles modern workloads. Many people are looking for hardware that can process complex neural tasks locally. This machine is built for exactly that. It means you are not constantly waiting for a server in the cloud to tell you what to do. You get workstation-level results in a package that is incredibly quiet and power efficient. Most traditional desktops sound like a jet engine taking off the moment you start a heavy export. This little square stays remarkably silent even when it is pushed to its absolute limit. It uses far less electricity than a standard tower, which is a win for your wallet and the environment. You are getting a level of portability that was previously reserved for laptops. But unlike a laptop, you can pair this with any high-end screen and keyboard you want. However, there is a catch you need to consider before pulling the trigger. The hardware itself is fantastic, but the buying experience can be a bit of a gamble depending on where you shop. Some users who ordered directly from the factory reported significant shipping delays. They also mentioned that getting a hold of customer support was a bit of a nightmare. If you value your sanity, going through a major retailer is probably the smarter move. You get the benefit of easy returns and much faster shipping times. It is a strange and exciting time for technology. We used to believe that more power always required more physical space for cooling and components. That old rule is being rewritten in real time. This mini machine is a direct challenge to the status quo. It can handle modern gaming and professional programming with ease. It is small enough to be portable, but sturdy enough to be your main workstation. This raises a fascinating question for all the tech enthusiasts out there. Are you truly ready to ditch the big tower? Can you really bring yourself to trust a tiny box to be the primary brain of your entire digital life? It feels like the gap between extreme portability and raw desktop power is finally closing. This might just be the moment when the desktop tower finally becomes a relic of the past.